Hello and welcome to another nature park video. So I'm right here at Tampines Eco Green. There is a pretty hidden park right at the outskirts of Tampines. If you were to walk past, drive past or go past this area, you will not even know that there is a nature park right at the heartland itself. So let's go and check out what this Eco Green Nature Park is about. I can tell you right now, one of the things that got me interested is not only the fact that this whole garden, this whole nature park is eco-friendly, but okay, do not laugh. I'm dead serious. I'm here to check out the compost toilet. So I know it's a bit funny, but let's go and check it out. Sit tight, prepare your insect repellent. Do not hold your breath because the toilet is going to smell. But let's go. So this is the compost toilet. They call it the eco toilet, but the eco toilet, compost toilet, they're all the same. Honestly, I don't smell anything bad right here. I know it's a bit weird that we are checking out the toilet at a nature park, but I am really curious because I have not seen a compost toilet before in my life. Sorry, it smells bad. It smells bad. It smells very bad. Oh boy, it smells bad. It smells very bad. Okay, I really regret stepping into the toilet. Yeah, it smells very bad. There's no further words to describe it except it is bad. It is really very bad. They're not kidding when they say this park is Instagram friendly. Want to check out why? Look at this! Wow! Okay, the floor is a bit muddy though, but yeah, it's okay. I think I can handle that. Okay, let's take a picture just to keep it as a souvenir. So this is one of those bird watching spots. But the biggest question right now is, shall we go left? Or shall we go right? Okay, let's go right. This spot seems to be more prettier, so more photos for Instagram. So I found a spot. I won't say that it's a hidden spot, but this place is pretty nice for taking photos. But tons of mosquitoes, so be careful when you're venturing here. So I'll put the exact spot of where I am, the exact spot I'm standing right now, so that those of you who are interested can use Google Map to find out the direction. So you see me got out of the nature park. I seriously had to. The amount of mosquito in there is insane. I think I must have got bitten by easily 10 or 20 of mosquito. I think it's going to itch like heck tomorrow my feet. But when I come back again, maybe, but not on a weather like this. So I took a gamble. I came down right after the rain stops. It is really not a good idea. So those of you who are coming, please do not come down right after the rain. Okay, I'll put a direction in the description, so you guys go and check it out. It is not exactly hard to come here. Just take note that there is no parking lot here, so you need to park at the nearby HDB. Alright, that is going to be it for today. It's a bit short, sadly. I want to explore this park a little bit more. Maybe there's a part 2. Alright, catch you guys on the next video.